Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've been scrolling through TikTok and you're tired of seeing the Discover tab, and you want to switch it over to Shop instead. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this in 2026, and it's actually way easier than you might think. Step 1. First, open up your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the home icon at the bottom of your screen to get to the main feed if you're not already there. Step 2. Look at the bottom navigation bar where you see Home, Explore, Create, Inbox, and Profile. You're going to tap on the Explore tab, which typically shows a magnifying glass icon. This is where your Discover feed currently lives. Step 3. Once you're in the Explore section, look at the top of the screen. You should see different category tabs or filter options. Swipe left or right across these tabs to find the Shop option. The Shop tab is usually located next to or near the Discover tab. Step 4. Tap on the Shop tab when you find it. This will load TikTok's shopping features where you can browse products directly from creators and brands. You might see a loading animation for a moment. Step 5. Now that you're in Shop, you can customize your preferences. Tap the Settings icon, usually found in the top right corner, to adjust what kind of products appear in your feed. You can follow specific sellers, save items you like, and browse by category to personalize your shopping experience.